Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be cleaning out my very messy master bathroom. We are going to be purging all the things, and I do mean all of the things. I don't know about you all, but I swear we have so much junk stuffed in the cabinets and the closets and the drawers in this bathroom that we do not need. And today it is my mission to get rid of all of it, organize this space, and really just give it a clean slate. So I hope that you all are ready for some extreme cleaning motivation. I hope that you're ready to purge along with me. And with that being said, let's get started.
Cause I shut the lights out. Don't stop, what you got, ready or not, I want it all. Don't stop, what you got, ready or not, I want it all. I want it, I want it
Now that I've got the vanity and the mirror wiped off, we are going to start purging all the things. And y'all, please do not judge me by the state of some of these drawers and cabinets. I do not think I have deep cleaned these in going on a year. I mean, that's disgusting, but I have 6 kids. I don't really have time to do that. But right now, I have the motivation, I guess since it's the new year, to take my house room by room and just purge all the things. With a family of 8, you accumulate so much stuff and it can be super overwhelming. So instead of allowing it to keep piling up, I have made it my mission to get rid of stuff and to only keep what we actually need. So today we are starting step number 1 in my master bath and starting with this nasty cabinet. So I hope this is motivating to you all. Like I said, don't judge me.
Do you ever wonder what's holding you under? I roll like thunder, I'm only one but got you outnumbered. I got an appetite and nothing can satisfy. You wanna take a bite, I am a legacy, you're just an overnight. Don't stop, what you got, ready or not, I want it all. Don't stop, what you got, ready or not, I want it all. I want it.
So I'm very curious. Let me know in the comments below, when you are purging all the things, do you pull everything out at one time? Or do you kind of take it step by step like I'm doing now? I don't know if it's the fact that I have so many kids and that it took me literally all day to do this bathroom in between being interrupted, or the fact that pulling everything out at one time really just stresses me out. But when I'm purging and organizing, I have to take it step by step. So in this case, I'm taking it drawer by drawer, cabinet by cabinet, and not overwhelming myself, but still taking the time to purge and clean all the things. So let me know in the comments below which one you are. Do you pull everything out at once or do you take it step by step?
How does a light shine in the dark? How does a fire start from a spark? There's no better way, there's no better start. Won't give in, won't give up. And we're building up a castle from the ground. I hope you're ready, cause we're coming out. Gotta come together, my friend. We will be together to the end. Climbing every mountain to the end. Together forever, my friend.
if you are not new around here, then you know that the goal of my channel is always to give you guys a realistic look into cleaning during motherhood. And to me, that means that it's not always going to look Pinterest perfect. I did not go out and spend a bunch of money on cute organizing bins or really put a lot of forethought into organizing this space at all. But I just worked with what I had, and even though it's not like Pinterest pretty, it is going to be organized and purged, and the goal is going to be accomplished. So I just wanted to go ahead and say that because I feel like sometimes we can really just put too much pressure on ourselves, and we cannot start a task because we put too much pressure on ourselves and want everything to look perfect. And that's just not realistic. So y'all just work with what you have. If you don't have bins that match, who cares? Just kind of start cleaning, start purging, and get moving with whatever is weighing you down today. Let's keep it real. Let's be realistic moms. Let's get it done and not worry about it being picture perfect. I interrupt y'all's cleaning to bring you an adorable little baby. Y'all, look at Blair. She is 6 months old now. Isn't that baffling? Like, it has seriously gone so fast. But she is being a typical baby today and only wanting her mama, so she's not really letting me put her down very much. So you're just going to get to look at her cute face throughout most of the rest of this video. Most of the rest. Is that even how you would say that? I don't think so. But anyways, you're going to see her cute face as we continue to purge.
We're going our ways, but take me along. Keep moving up, keep moving on. You better believe we're right here with you. Just get in, feel the love, and we're building up a castle from the ground. I hope you're ready, 'cause we're coming out. Gotta come together, my friend. We will be together till the end. Climbing every mountain to there. Together forever, my friend. Yeah, 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 yeah. Together forever, my friend. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Keep on going.
Okay, attempt number 1 at putting cute baby down and trying to function with 2 hands. I don't know how long it's going to last, but for now, she's laying in the floor of my bedroom playing with some toys, and I am quickly trying to organize this drawer.
This moment, keep our head up in the
She's back and she's mad. She did not want me to put her down at all. And so we're just going to continue cleaning with her on my lap. I mean, this is as real as it gets, y'all. I never want to sugarcoat what a real day in the life looks like around here, especially when it comes to cleaning. People ask me all the time how I get things cleaned with 6 kids, and the answer is it takes a long time, and sometimes it's super chaotic, and sometimes you have to do it with a baby on your lap or a toddler screaming at your feet, or sometimes you just have to put away the to-do list and tackle it another day. So give yourself grace. On this particular day, I did not give myself grace. I wanted to get this done so bad, and I was putting too much pressure on myself, and I kind of had to like Marco some friends and vent about how frustrated I was that I could not just get a task accomplished, and they reminded me that the task can wait. Like, it's not that big of a deal. So give yourselves grace, mamas. Take a note out of the book that it took me a little while to learn today. Like, don't get yourself all worked up and upset about cleaning. Like, it's not worth it. But it's real life here. This is how we clean. We're going to get it done. It might just take all day. I was actually trying to finish this while Davis was at preschool, and it ended up taking me, instead of 2 hours, it took me about 8 hours total on and off, in between like feeding the kids, getting them down for nap, dealing with tantrums, doing homeschooling, etc. You name it, I did it today, but we did get it done, just not as quickly as I wanted.
She's a hard to label, untamable woman. Just wait till you see her.
it so well, a symbol stunner. You better believe it, yeah.
So I wised up and went ahead and grabbed the ring sling just to try to finish this last little bit before we go pick up Davis from preschool. I had to just go ahead and give myself grace and say, okay, do one more task and then just put it down for a little while. So right now I'm sorting through the insane amount of medicine that we have. It's like medicine, vitamins, like I don't know, an accumulation of probably like 10 years worth of crap, honestly. So a lot of this just needed to go. And I went ahead and was able to put this just in 2 bins. I did like a bandage slash like skin bin, and then I did just like a general medicine bin, and got rid of a bunch of this junk. I mean, like, why did we have all of this? We don't even really take medicine. It was crazy, baffling to me.
Guarantee you never seen better. There ain't no way you will forget her. You know what, when you take her out tonight, she's not just one of the ladies. She ain't gonna fall for the same old lie. You're in trouble, baby. No time to take it slow, you gotta show what you got. Anything it takes to keep from moving on. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. Yeah, she's gonna make you work for it. She's an independent, down-to-business woman. You can bet that in the moment she is gonna own it. She can put a man in his place, and she can steal the show for days. And when the spotlight hits the stage, boy, she is on it. Guarantee you never seen better. There ain't no way you will forget her. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. She ain't gonna fall for the same old lie. You're in trouble, baby.
So it's now much later in the day. We've actually already done the preschool pickup. We've done lunch. We've had general cleaning downstairs. It was interesting. My kids and me, this afternoon was a little bit of a crazy, chaotic time. But right now, all the little ones are down for nap and quiet time, and I'm going to try to attempt to finish cleaning this mess. It really wasn't a mess that I could leave for another day because I had destroyed my bathroom at this point. So here's to hoping I can actually get it done before somebody wakes up or needs me again, but that's probably not going to happen.
No time to take it slow, you gotta show what you got. Anything it takes to keep from moving on. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies.
This right here is why we're purging. Like, why did we have so many contact cases? Like, what in the world? My husband's the only person that wears contacts, and I swear there were a good, 10 cases.
She gonna make you work for it. Gonna make you work for it. And when you see those lights go down, and you know just what you found, no holding back, no time for that. Go on and get it, gotta make it last. Go to work. You know it when you take her out tonight.
we are nearing the end. I've got everything organized. I've purged 2 huge garbage bags worth of stuff, and I feel pretty accomplished. Unfortunately, my camera did die before I could finish like deep cleaning the bathroom, and I had to go ahead and get it done. So I don't have footage of that, but here's the finished product of the linen closet. I can't believe how much stuff I was able to get rid of. But like I said, this is going to be the very first video of a purging series that I'm getting ready to do on my channel. So please be sure to subscribe so you do not miss any of those upcoming videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.
Don't matter what they say, 'cause you and me feel right. I feel